Changes are coming for ride services in North Carolina. Starting July 1st, 2025, the new transportation commerce tax goes into effect. Now, whether you're a passenger or a service provider, here's what you need to know. For passengers, this means a small tax will be added to your fare. For ride service providers, including taxis and transportation network companies, new requirements are on the way. Providers must register with NCDOR before July 1st, 2025. Providers must collect the tax from customers beginning July 1st, 2025. They must file tax returns and pay directly to the NCDOR. Registration is open now, so make sure to sign up early. How much is the tax? Well, that depends on the type of ride. Exclusive rides, 1.5% of gross receipts. Shared rides, 1% of gross receipts. Passengers, expect this small tax to be part of your fare. Providers, visit ncdor.gov for FAQs, registration info, and important updates. The NCDOR is here to help. Stay informed, stay compliant, and keep North Carolina moving forward.